Did you know that there are over 400,000 species of flowering plants in the world? Flower classification is crucial for proper cultivation, breeding, and ecological understanding. Advanced technology is now being used to aid in this effort. The cAInvas platform utilizes TinyML and CNN to enable real-time flower classification in the field without the need for bulky computing equipment. Despite the importance of flower classification, accurately identifying and categorizing different species of flowers can be challenging. Flowers can vary widely in their physical characteristics, such as color, shape, size, and texture. Additionally, some flowers may have subtle variations that are not easily detectable to the human eye. The cAInvas platform based on TinyML technology offers a solution to the challenges of flower classification. Discussion of the capabilities of the platform, including templates for flower classification using convolutional neural networks and machine learning algorithms for accurate classification based on visual features, overview of the deployment of the models on small, low-power devices for real-time classification in the field, using the cAInvas platform for flower classification, including a better understanding of flower behavior for informed decisions in cultivation, breeding, and conservation. Explanation of how the low-power requirements of TinyML models can reduce energy consumption and minimize the environmental impact of monitoring systems. Sign up for free at canvas.aitech.systems for more information. Recap of the capabilities of the cAInvas platform for flower classification. Discussion of the exciting potential applications of TinyML and CNN for flower classification. Emphasis on the positive impact this technology can have on various industries and research fields. Following URLs are referred to in this video. Check the description for the links. Contact us.